See, life is all about learning from your mistakes. But a lot of times, you can save yourself the trouble, the heartache, and all the problems from learning from my own mistakes or from other guys' mistakes. Today, boys, I'm going to show you the biggest mistakes guys are still making in every aspect of your life so you can avoid them. Let's hop into it. Number one, you're over-glorifying girls online. My God, you need to understand the girls that you're seeing on social media are not real. No, like for real, they are completely made up. They are face tuned up the butt. On top of that, there's even filters that completely will morph your body and shape. So you can't even trust video at this point. So now you're here simping, sitting here paying these girls $20 a month for some booby shots. Instead of wasting your time and energy there, you could be going out and meeting real women. Number two, you need to start investing young. This is probably the biggest mistake guys are making today. Thankfully, I started investing as young as 18. As soon as I started making a little bit of money, I started investing money. That's what you need to be doing. See, when it comes to investment, it's not about being smarter than everybody else. It's not about having tricks or secrets or any of that. It's about having time. The more time you have, the more you allow your money to compound. Once compound interest kicks in, your money's gonna start multiplying on itself. But what you have to beat out everybody else is time. So the younger you are, the earlier you start, the more you're gonna make at the end of the road. This is why you need to start early investing in whether it's stocks or real estate. You can buy yourself I bought my first home when I was 22. Today I'm 26 and I'm selling that home. And let's just say I made back all my money plus some right now just because I made that investment 5 years or 4 years ago. So I want you to be smarter than everybody else. Don't go and buy depreciating assets like a new BMW or that new Gucci belt, and instead grab all that money, save it up, and put it in an asset that's gonna increase over time. Number three, you're not prioritizing your hygiene. Ask any girl that if you or your room stinks, you have now lost all chances that you probably had with this girl. They're out the door. This is why the easiest way to shock and awe girls is to always stay well groomed. Matter of fact, if you want to take it up a notch, always stay well groomed, even below the belt. Even that area that she can't just see yet. I promise you, shock and awe, because this is an area she's not gonna expect. Most guys are not that well groomed. And let's be real, our new Manscaped Lawnmower 4.0, it's probably the sexiest trimmer on the market. If she walks into your bathroom and sees that thing on your vanity, let's just say this girl, she's already triggered. She's already excited. We've done so much marketing with Manscaped that as soon as a girl sees a Manscaped guy, she knows. This is a top tier guy. This is a high value. This is a well-groomed guy, and I can't wait to see what's below that belt. So you're welcome for all the marketing we've done. See, Manscaped is now like a badge of honor. You have Manscaped in your bathroom, you're automatically a stud. Not to mention that our perfect package that comes with our 4.0, we got you covered from head to toe. Not only are we gonna ensure that you're trimming properly because our trimmer is waterproof. It has a ceramic blade that's nick-proof, so you can go to town, not worry about how thick or dense your bush is. We got you covered. It's also battery rechargeable, and it has that built-in LED with a wireless docking station that makes everything look sleek and clean. Not to mention that we also include 2 grooming products. These are to wash down there and to hydrate after you're done shaving. So what ends up happening is not only does it look aesthetic, it also smells great. How many guys have their crotch area smelling great? I bet you 1 in 100, 1 in 1,000, I got you covered. See, I got you covered from A to Z. Not only are you gonna look trimmed, you're gonna smell great. And that's having good hygiene below the belt. And if you don't, boys, what are you doing? Everybody's hopping on the Manscaped trend. If you guys wanna check out Manscaped, click the link down below, check out our perfect package, go through that routine yourself and see the difference that it's gonna make in your personal life. If you guys wanna check it out, click that link down below. I'm gonna give you 20% off plus free shipping, plus a free Dopkin and a free pair of underwear. It is the deal of a lifetime. Go ahead, click that link down below. Number 4, not traveling. This is probably the biggest mistake you are making right now. See, a lot of things are dumb to spend money on. They're fruitless. They don't increase in value. But experiences, memories, they don't have a monetary value. Some of my best memories are stuff that I did in the past with my family or with my girl. See, that's the type of stuff that you can always reminisce on and feel good about. Look at the pictures. Traveling is one of those things. And if you're not doing it young, you are really missing out. This is when you have the most energy to take on the world. And right now is the time to do so. Right now, all these countries are opening back up. Flights are cheaper than ever. Everybody wants you to travel to their country, so the incentives are insane. You could literally travel to Mexico for a weekend for like $500, all paid. Like, that is insane. If you're not taking advantage of that now, that's gonna be a mistake you're gonna regret when you get older. Number 5, not thinking of yourself first. See, what happens to a lot of nice guys is that you tend to prioritize everybody else's needs before your own, mainly because A, you're either a genuinely nice guy, or B, you just want them to like you. Either way, they're gonna stomp all over and walk all over you. I've been telling you, men, now is the time to completely shift your focus solely on yourself and start leveling up. Invest in your ideas and your goals and your ambitions and your body and your health and your style. Invest in yourself. No one, and I mean no one, is gonna care as much about what you want as you do. So if you don't put that priority on yourself, nobody will. And then time will go by and you'll never do anything that you wanted to do in your own life. And finally, number 6, not going for it. You need to have that just do it mentality, that Nike mentality. See, anything in your life that you want. Say you saw a girl and automatically you just feel like you would vibe with this girl. This girl is beautiful. Yo, go and just do it. Go up to her. The worst that can happen is a no, and that's a hell of a lot better than, I wonder what could have been. Have a dream job you want? Go for it. Have a dream business you want to start building? Yo, start building it today. Start planning today. The crazy part is that in anything in life that's hard, starting it is, I would say, is the easiest part. Maintaining, growing, being consistent, that's the hard part. But most people fail at the finish line. Most people can't even get to the starting line, which is insane because that's the easiest part. So from now on, anything you want in life, just go for it. And that's basically it for this week's video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to drop us a like down below. Also, boys, don't forget to check out our brand Manscaped. If you guys want that 4.0, click that link down below as well. That's it for me today. See you next time.